Alright, so this is 121, best time to buy and sell stock. And pretty much for this question, you're given an array of prices, and then this is the array. Now, you want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day where you buy the stock, and then choose a different day in the future where you sell that stock. And you want to try to find the 2 days where you get the maximum profit. Essentially here, you want to find 7. You don't want to buy at 7 because 7's too high. So you want to buy at 1, right? And then sell at 6. So then to find the maximum profit, you just subtract 6 from 1, which is 5. And that's what you get, right? So you buy on day 2, you buy at 1. So let's say $1, and you sell at $6. So you made $5 profit. And that's pretty much how this works. So let's try to code this up. And you want to do this with a sliding window technique, which essentially you do this with, let's do an I and then a J pointer, yeah, where I is initialized to 0 and then J is initialized to 1. So I would be at 7 and then J, right? J would be at 1, right? And pretty much you want to keep moving this window when you find a better buying point, and then you find the best selling point, right? So we want to return the max profit that we can get from this question. And then we're going to set that to 0. And we want to start looping through this. So while J is less than, and J is the second pointer, we want to do it until we run through every number. So to the length of the array, which is prices, right? Right. And pretty much what we want to do is if, let's see, I'm going to run through everything, and then let's try this. If number or if prices at I is greater than, so if this is greater than the prices at J, so prices at J, then what do we want to do? We want to find a better buying spot, right? So then we're going to set prices at I equal to, or just set I to J, right? So I to J, I is equal to J. And then else, now, if the J, right, if prices at J are better, or let's say that if this one was lower, so you have a good time to buy and a good time to sell, then if prices at J, right, minus prices at I, so now we're finding the max profit, right? Is greater than the max profit, right? Pretty much we just want to set max profit equal to what you get from here, right? The actual max profit. I want to copy this, right? And then what we want to do is we want to, let's see, we want to move J up 1 once you finish looping through everything, and then just return the max profit at the end. Let's run this, see if it works. Yeah. So pretty much what we're running here is we're running this loop until J reaches all the numbers. And then if the price is I at I, so essentially 7 is greater than 1, then you're not making much profit, right? Because if you buy at 7 and sell at 1, you're actually losing money. So you want to move up I to 1, right? So you set it equal to J. And then else, if the price is at J minus I, so you're finding the max profit, if there is profit to find, right? So in this case, let's say we have J here and then I here. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So you're making profit. 4 in this case would be greater than 0 because we initialized the max profit to 0. So then you set the new max profit equal to 4, right? And then once you're looping through that, you move J 1 more. So right, so you move J over here to try to find a better max profit between all the other numbers. Now, if you find a better time to buy, then you would just keep moving. You'd keep running through this and moving your I. And then after you're done looping through that, that's pretty much it. That's for the sliding window. And then you just return the max profit that you get. So let's submit this. And there you go. That's 121 best time to buy and sell stock.